Yes, good morning to everyone. Just in 4 or 5 minutes, we start the class. We start the class now. First, we revise what we do till now. Okay, first, we revise that. We start with a simple thing that is y equals to x cube plus 6x square plus 8x plus 9. We start from here. Okay. How we find the derivative by dx? So we directly use for that. We use directly formulae that come from 11th class. It is not 12th class. Okay. We already say derivative of x is 1 because x is the 1 x 1 minus 1 that is 1. Then we start the product rule. Second, we start product rule. What is the product rule? Product rule we have two numbers. The product rule always we use when the two numbers having x. In 6x square, we not use product rule because 6 is the number, x square is a variable. So we use product rule when the both the term having x. Now, what is the product rule? Product rule is very simple. We first differentiate the first one, that is 2x. The second number is as it is. First we revise. Okay, so हमने अब तक किया है. We revising that number, that thing. What we do till now, that we revise it. X square, 2x. First we differentiate 2x. Sin x is as it is. Then x square as it is. Sin x as it is. Cos x. Then we start the division rule. Okay, then we start the division rule. We already done these all things. That is denominator square. Then denominator is as it is. Differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is. Differentiation of numerator. We revise this thing. Okay, this is the division rule. This is the division rule we already done. Okay. We already done division rule. So please start. Take copy and pen and then start the writing. Okay, y equal to x square by sin x. Suppose we want to differentiate this one, so that is very simple. We use the formula that is denominator square. That means sin x का square. Okay, the sin x square. Then denominator as it is, the sin x as it is. Differentiation of numerator. That means x square is 2x minus numerator as it is into derivative of numerator, that is cos x. So we already done product rule, division rule, and chain rule. Now we again revise the chain rule. Chain rule again start the revision because total chapter is based on chain rule. The main thing is chain rule. How we start the chain rule? If you learn chain rule, then total chapter is finished. Okay, more than half chapter is based on chain rule. For example, we want to differentiate sin x square. We already discussed PA rule. First to differentiate term, then their angle. What is the term here? Term is sine. And the angle is x square. So when you start the derivative of this, so first we differentiate term, that is term is sine, the derivative of sine is cos. Then we differentiate term, then angle is as it is. Then into differentiation of its angle, that is x square is 2x. For example, you want differentiation of cos x square ex. Okay, then in angle you have again a product rule. We already done these all things. We only, okay, these are already done in the previous classes. So that is cos. Cos is minus sine x square ex into derivative of x square ex. It's again we have product rule. Because why we have product rule? Because two numbers are there. Only here we have only one number. We write 2x. But these are the two numbers. This chapter is divided upon your practice. Okay, that means x square is 2x and ex as it is plus x square as it is and ex are ex. This is a simple method. Okay, so this is the derivative of cos x square ex. मैंने already we discussed three terms जो तीन गंदी terms होती हैं. The first term is sec x या log x. Okay, the dy by dx of log x is 1 upon x. ठीक है, these are the new thing now. Log x, the derivative of log x is 1 by x. So if you want to differentiate log sin x, if you want to differentiate log sin x, so this sin x is the angle of log. Here the angle of log is x. Where the angle of log is x, then you write 1 upon x. Log x, the derivative of log x is 1 upon x. But on the place of x, you have sin x now. Okay, the log x is 1 by x. So we use T rule. T means term. Term is log. Log angle sin x. So first we differentiate term. Term is log. The derivative of log is 1 upon sin x. And it is log x is 1 upon x. Similarly, log sin x is 1 upon sin x. Okay. So log x is 1 upon x. Log sin x is 1 upon x sin x. This we differentiate log. This is the definition of log. Then we start the definition of its angle. What is the angle? Angle is sin x. So the derivative of sin x is cos x. So this is the method. Again, you see, suppose you have log of log x. Okay. Then angle is log x. Term is log. So first we differentiate log. So how we differentiate? How we start the differentiation? First we differentiate log. Log means 1 upon x. Log x means 1 upon x. So log of log x means 1 upon log x. Into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Okay. Again you see. For example, you have log of sine cos x, log of 10x into x square. But this is the product rule now. You have x square into log 10x. That means you have two numbers. One is x square, second is log 10x. Log 10x is single number because 10x is the angle of log. Okay, so we use product tool. We use product tool when the two numbers you have. Okay, if you have two numbers, both having x, then we use product tool. So how we use product tool here? Because this is dy by dx. X square is 2x into log 10x plus x square as it is. Then we start the derivative of log 10x. Log 10x is 1 upon 10x into derivative of 10x is secant square x. Log 10x, log x 1 by x and 1 by 10x into sec square x. Okay, the second problem term that is e to the power x. This is e to the power x. The power is here angle. This is the x read as e to the power x, but x is the angle of e. Okay, so that's the dy by dx of ex is again ex. The derivative of dx is ex. When we start the derivative of e to the power sin x, so e is the term, sin x is the angle. The derivative of ex is ex. The derivative of ex is ex. So similarly, e to the power sin x, the derivative of e to the power sin x is e to the power sin x. The simple answer, e to the power sin x is e to the power sin x into differentiation of its sin x. Sin x is cos x. Again, you see y equal to e to the power x square. The value differentiation of this e to the power x square is e to the power x square. Then differentiation of its angle is 2x. For example, you have e to the power root x. So, मैंने already बताया था कि you learn the formula of root x. The root derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. You already learn it because इसको बहुत जगह use करना होता है. So y equal to e to the power root x. First e to the power x derivative is e to the power x. So e to the power root x is e to the power root x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. How we get 1 upon 2 root x? So देखो this is x raised to power half. When we start the derivative half, x half minus 1. That means half raised to power minus half. That means half by root x. So we'll start the derivative of हमें आ गया how we differentiate log x and how we differentiate e to the power x. So please you start a question. You start this question. e to the power sin x into log cos x, and give the answer to me. Okay, fast, please give the answer. How would you differentiate this one? You start the derivative and give the answer. E to the power sin x into log cos x. Start, please. Yes, 12a, 12b. E to the power sin x, then e to the power log cos x. I give the answer in 2 minutes. Okay. The first one he sent the answer me, that is from 12C. Okay, they give right answer. Yes, good, beta. Okay, Ashwin from 12A, they give also the right answer. Yes, good. Good. Aishwarya, they have also given answer. Ria, yes, Ria, good. They go up, they go left. So many students give the answer. Please, up this speed पे देखो. Now you start on the screen. देखो e to the power sin x into log cos x. We use product rule here because we have two terms. Yes. Stop now. ठीक है. देखो e to the power sin x. That is e to the power sin x is e to the power sin x. E to the power x is having same e to the power x. E to the power sin x is same e to the power sin x. Into differentiation of its angle, that is sin x, यानी कि cos x. Second term as it is, log cos x as it is, plus e to the cos sin x as it is. Then we start the derivative of log cos x, that is 1 upon cos x into differentiation of its angle, that is cos x is minus sin x. So this is the product rule as well as chain rule. Okay. Now we take different one step forward. Okay. Now you see, अबे बहुत ध्यान से देखना. This is under root of 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. Again is a chain rule. In 12th class, we have 4, 5, 6, 7 exercises. Okay, this is the chain rule. ये directly नहीं पूछा जाता. Chain rule is the basis of all the exercises. जब तक chain rule नहीं आएगा, आपको exercises नहीं आएंगे ना. So this is dy by x. First we start the definition of this. Then you write 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x raised to power half. Okay. Now we start the rule. Power term, इसमें angle आएगा ही नहीं. That is not angle. So first we start the derivative of power. What is the power? Power is half. So how will we differentiate power? That is x is to power n. This is n x n minus 1. So this is the method of differentiation of power. That is half 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x raised to power half minus 1. This is the derivative of power. Then we start the differentiation of term. But in the case of term, what is the problem? A term is this. 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x is a term, and that is a division rule. That is not a simple differentiation rule. Okay, this is a division rule because the number is the form of division. So we start the division rule. How do we start the division rule? How we start the division rule? Numerator square, 1 minus sin x the whole square. 1 minus sin x as it is, numerator as it is, into differentiation of numerator, that is 1 is 0, sin x is cos x, minus 1 plus sin x as it is, then the differentiation of the numerator, that is 1 is 0, that is minus cos x. This is the differentiation of that. Okay, this is the derivative of this. So again you see, when we start 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x, so this is total power half. Total power half, okay, this is total power half. Then we start the power half minus 1. We first differentiate power, that term. But when we differentiate terms, then we use the division rule because you have a number in the form of numerator upon numerator. So we use division rule. Again, you see one question. Again, then y equals to, again देखते हैं y equals to under root of 1 plus cos 2x. देखो this is again, बस इसी को practice बोलते हैं, ठीक है? 1 plus cos 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x. We use power term angle. Now we have angle, that is 2x. 2x means cos x is not there, cos 2x is here. Okay, so first when we start the derivative, so we take whole power half, that is cos 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x raised to power half. Then we start the derivative of this, because this is half. First we start with the half, that is half 1 plus cos 2x 1 minus cos 2x raised to power half minus 1. That is half minus 1. This is power. We differentiate power. Then its term. Term is division rule. बहुत carefully देखोगे अब how we apply the division rule. 1 minus cos 2x का whole square. 1 minus cos 2x. Then the differentiation of numerator, the 1 is 0. Cos 2x, when we differentiate cos 2x, then again we use TA rule. The cos is term and 2x is its angle. So how we differentiate cos the derivative? That is minus sin 2x into its angle, that is 2 minus. Again you see, when we start the derivative of this, so we use division rule. That is 1 minus cos 2x ka whole square. 1 minus cos 2x as it is. The derivative of this 1 is 0 because the derivative constant is 0. But when we start the derivative of cos 2x, then we use TA rule. Term, then their angle. Term, then their angle. The what is term? Term is cos. The derivative of cos is minus sin 2x. Then its angle. Angle is what? 2x. 2x ka derivative is 2. Then we start 1 plus cos 2x as it is. When we start up numerator, we differentiate numerator. That is 1 is 0. Cos 2x का minus sin 2x into 2. इसको सिंप्लीफाई नहीं करना होता because they are not asked directly in paper. ठीक है, this is the basis of chain rule. Chain rule is the basis of total chapter. तो हमें सिंप्लीफाई नहीं करना है. We give the answer, leave the answer this way. ठीक है, तो this is the answer of that. Now you do one question. Please आप करो 1 upon under root 1 plus ex upon 1 minus ex. Yes, start. Now see which is the first one. Who give the fastest answer? 1 plus ex upon 1 minus ex. Okay. Who give the fastest answer? Yes, Harshit give. Please start. Yes, good, good, good. The first friend is, okay, the fastest answer is Siddhant of 12th A. Yes, they give right answer. Yes, yes, good, beta Siddhant. Ayushi 12th C. Yes. Good. Our aim is that कि हमें लॉकडाउन में NCERT finish कर ले. Then we start the exemplar when the lockdown is open. So please, NCERT is very important book. You start. Yes, good. Ashmita 12th A. Yes. Aishwarya, they also given the answer. Yes, good beta. Aishwarya बिल्कुल ठीक है. Yes, the one new entry, but they are not given name. Yes, Shakti of 12C, they given also answer. 20C answer आ गया. Yes, Anshuka. देखो पहले अब रुको. Now you stop. Then we start. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, good, good, good. Good better. देखो y equals to, अब मैं थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट ले रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन. Y equals to log x plus under root of x square plus 1. Now you stop. Okay, log x plus under root of x square plus 1. Okay, then when we start the derivative of this, this is log. Log means 1 upon x. But the problem is that the angle is again have PTA rule. Angle you have again PTA rule. So log, this is x plus x square plus 1 to the power half. Okay, but अब देखो, when we start the derivative of this, so first the term, we differentiate term. Term is log. The derivative of log is 1 upon x. And this whole term is here, log x plus under root of x square plus 1. Then we start the derivative of its angle. Now angle is what? Angle is this. Okay, so derivative of x is very simple. That is 1. But when we start the derivative of this under root x square plus 1, x square plus 1 to the power half, then we use PTA rule. So power is what? Power is half. So we start the derivative of first half. That is x square plus 1 is to power half minus 1. That is minus half. So this is the derivative. First we differentiate power. Take power half x square plus 1 to the power minus half. Then into differentiation of its angle. What is the angle? Angle is x square plus 1. That is 2x. Again, this derivative of this is x square plus 1 to the power half. When we start, so first we differentiate power, that is x square plus 1 to the power minus half. Then its angle x square plus 1. X square is 2x, 1 is 0. So we write only 2x is here. Okay. So this is the derivative of log x plus under root of x square plus 1. And further on, we can simplify it to cancel it to then again. Okay. So up please आप लिखना शुरू करो. Now in differentiation we have 5 topics. अब हम differentiation पे start करते हैं. ठीक है. In differentiation we have 5 topics. The first topic is continuity. Write down, the first topic is continuity. The second topic is implicit function. ये चेन रूल अलग से नहीं है एनसीईआरटी में. Implicit function. Then the use of log. Use of log. The third one is inverse differentiation. Inverse differentiation. The fourth one is parametric form. The fifth one is double derivative. In board, they come 2 questions, 4 plus 4. The weightage of this chapter is 8 marks. So 4 plus 4, 2 questions are there. This here, log and double derivative. It's a log or double derivative आया हुआ है. Okay. This exercise of continuity is 5.1. This exercise is 5.3. This exercise is 5.5. This exercise is 5.3. This is 5.6. This is 5.7. 5.2 and 5.4. This is belongs to chain rule. ये एक्सरसाइज चेन रूल की है. तो 5.2 में ऑलरेडी आपको होमवर्क दे चुका हूं. प्लीज नोट डाउन ऑल द थिंग. दीज आर द टॉपिक ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन. दिस इज द टॉपिक ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन. द फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज कंटिन्यूटी. दैट इज 5.1 एक्सरसाइज. वो हमने भी स्टार्ट नहीं की है. द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज 5.1, दैट इज कंटिन्यूटी. द सेकंड एक्सरसाइज इज 5.2, 5.4, दे बिलोंग्स टू चेन रूल. द सेकंड टॉपिक इज इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन, जो आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. The third exercise is implicit function. Fourth exercise is again chain rule. The fifth exercise is use of log. Logarithmic differentiation, that is also known as logarithmic differentiation. The third inverse differentiation is also in third exercise. Starting 9 questions are implicit function and remaining questions from inverse differentiation. Then the topic is parametric differentiation, parametric form. And the next is double derivative. Double derivative is 5.7 exercise. But the all exercise, the basis of all exercise is chain rule. अगर आपको chain rule आता है, then you can do all the exercises. Okay, so today we start the implicit differentiation, implicit function. Please do not miss the classes because this is the topic of calculus. And calculus is very important. Calculus is the only book जिसमें 95 marks depend करते हैं. We have 2 type of book. One is calculus, second is non-calculus. Non-calculus is 45 marks. That is based on your notes. But this chapter is depend upon your practice. So please do not miss any class. Now today onward, we try कि daily maths की class होगी. Okay, so continuity is the first exercise. Implicit differentiation is the third exercise. So today we start implicit function. So first we study what is the implicit function. Okay, so we start the topic is implicit function. Please को copy कर लो. So today we start implicit function. Okay, how we start, how we differentiate implicit function. Because this is y equal to x square. When you put x is 1, then you get y is 1. When you put x is 2, you get y is 4. So if you change x, so y is automatically changed. यानी कि y is depending upon x, यानी कि y is a function of x. तो y को now we say also fx. So fx हमने already सीख चुके हैं in 11th class in relation and function कि fx is same as y. Y and fx both are the same thing. But some functions are depending upon 2 variable. Okay, the some functions they are depending upon 2 variable. Such type of function is called implicit function. The function when comes in 2 variables, then that function is called implicit function. So today we start exercise 5.3. अब एक बार 5.3 exercise खोलो. जिन बच्चों के पास book है, they open 5.3 exercise. Okay, जिनके पास books है, they open please 5.3 exercise. 5.2 already we have done. If you have any doubt, then you can mail me or WhatsApp me. 5.2 exercise you already done. You start now. 5.3 exercise we start. In 5.3 exercise, you have this type of question: x square plus y square equal to 4. And he says, find the differentiation of this. We start the differentiation of this: x square plus y square equal to 4. Only calculus is the book. Only calculus जो book NCERT से कम आती है. Non-calculus is completely from NCERT. Calculus जो है that is from exemplar or from assignment. Okay, and or either from your register. Register से बाहर नहीं आएगी. So please do not miss the classes. Okay. So x square plus y square equal to 4. अभी तक जो क्वेश्चंस होते थे, they given y equal to sin x plus 4, they are given the values of y and then we start the derivative. First we write dy by dx, but now the question is in the form of equation, that is not given y equals to, they given a equation and then he says find the derivative of this. अगर आपके पास बुक है, then you start see 5.3 exercise from 1 to 9, they are given equations only and then he say find the values of dy by dx. So how we start the dy by dx now? तो अब हम dy by dx को लिखेंगे नहीं, we start directly, we start the derivative. When we start the x square, so simple, the derivative of x square is 2x. Now we have comes for y square. For y we have same rule as x. Y के लिए वही rule होते हैं जो x के लिए होते हैं. But if you differentiate y, then we write dy by dx with them. Okay, जैसे y square is 2y. We have same rule as x. But when we differentiate y, तो साथ में dy by dx जरूर लिखेंगे. Okay, क्यों? y 4 is 0. Why we write this one? देखो y square, we use PTA rule, power term angle. So first we start power, that is 2y2 minus 1. Then angle is what? Y. The derivative of y is dy by dx. तो आपके माइंड में आ रहा हो why we are not using an x square? x square में वैसा क्यों नहीं यूज करते? x square में भी करते हैं. First we differentiate power, that is 2x. 2 minus 1, then into angle. तो angle dx by dx आता है, that is 1. तो उसको हम लिखते ही नहीं है, we write only 2x. ठीक है, तो this is only one thing is in this chapter कि when we differentiate y, then we write dy by dx, but nothing is there. ठीक है, only when we differentiate y, then we write dy by dx. So the values of dy by dx is now here form, that is minus 2x upon 2y, that 2 is cancelled with 2. Again देखो एक question. Suppose you have x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, and he says what is the answer of this? Okay, then how we start the derivative? Very simple. The x square is 2x. We differentiate x square is 2x. For y, we have same rule. For y, we have same rule as x. Y square, जैसे x square का 2x है. Simply y square का 2y होगा. But when we differentiate y, then we write dy by dx. Only is a new thing. When we differentiate y, then we write dy by dx. 2x, the derivative of x is 1. Then 3y. The derivative of y is dy by dx. The derivative of 6 is 0 equals to 0. Now we are taking dy by dx is common. So how we take that is dy by dx. This term dy by dx है, we put on the one side, and the remaining term we take on the LHS. The RHS, sorry, 2x plus 2. Then what is the values of dy by dx now? Minus 2x plus 2 upon 2y plus 3. This is simple. Again देखो एक question. Again now we have third sum. That is x square plus 3xy plus y square equals to 8. अब देखो problem is here. X into y. This is a product rule because two numbers are there. ठीक है, देखो x into y, two variable. One is x and second is y. So when we start the derivative of x, y, then we use a product rule. Now what is the definition of x square? That is 2x. Then 3xy, we use product rule here. That the derivative of x is 1. Then y as it is plus x as it is. The derivative of y is dy by dx. Again देखो please. देखो this x into y is a product rule. X is 1, y is as it is plus x is as it is. Then derivative of y is dy by dx. We are using product rule in x into y. Okay, x into y we are using product rule plus y square. Y square is 2y. When we differentiate y, then again dy by dx. 8 is 0. Now simply we open the bracket. That is 2x plus 3y plus 3x dy by dx plus 2y into dy by dx. All the dy by dx we take common. ठीक है, जितने भी dy by dx हैं हम उन्हें common ले रहे हैं. 3x plus 2y and the remaining number in that side 2x plus 3y. So this is the values of dy by dx. Minus 2x plus 3y upon 3x plus 2y. Okay, this is the method of implicit function. Again देखो please. ठीक है, अब the problem is that when the chain rule is come in implicit function, then questions are very important. देखो again देखो please. Sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. This is the fourth question. Now we have chain rule. बस यही chain rule है. Topic का नाम बदल गया है, but पूरा chapter chain rule है. Okay, sin square x. So how we differentiate this one? This is PTA rule. We take power 2. Okay. Then how we start? देखो 2 power 2 sin x is to power 2 minus 1. This is power. Then the term. What is the term? Sin x. The derivative of sin x is cos x into angle. Angle is x. X का 1. देखो again देखो please. Power 2. पहले first we start power. How we differentiate power? N x n minus 1. So power is 2. 2 sin x 2 minus 1. Power. Then term. What is term? Sin x cos x. Then angle. X is 1. Plus same rule is for y. Which have rule for x? Same rule is for y. So how we differentiate cos per y? That is 2 cos y. First we power 2 minus 1 power. Then term. Term is what? Cos y. Cos y is minus sin y. Then angle y का dy by dx equals to 1 का 0. This is the method. Now we simple. इसको simplify कर लेंगे. That is very easy. 2 sin x into cos x plus 2 sin y into cos y minus into dy by dx equals to 0. देखो this is the formula of sin 2x minus sin 2y. 11th class का कोई रोल 12th class में नहीं है. Only from 11th class we using some formulas. ठीक है. Otherwise 11th class का कोई रोल नहीं है. तो जिनके 11th class में मार्क्स नहीं आए हैं वो भी 12th class में नंबर ला सकते हैं. ठीक है. 12th class in 11th class we only use the formulas. कोई डायरेक्टली कॉन्सेप्ट फ्रॉम 11th क्लास नहीं आता है. द टोटली बुक इज इन 12th क्लास आर डिफरेंट. तो फ्रॉम 11th क्लास वी ओनली यूज द फॉर्मूले जैसे sin 2x cos 2x. इसका मीनिंग ये नहीं कि आपको ट्रिको नहीं आती तो क्वेश्चन नहीं सीख सकते. ओनली वी यूज फॉर्मूले. ओके. नाउ यू स्टार्ट द एनसीईआरटी. अब हम एनसीईआरटी स्टार्ट करेंगे. नाउ वी स्टार्ट द एनसीईआरटी. तो ओपन द एक्सरसाइज 5.3. ओके एवरीवन ओपन द एक्सरसाइज 5.3. 5.3 एक्सरसाइज. बच्चा प्लीज 5.3 एक्सरसाइज की फोटो क्लिक करके मेरे को भेज दे. 5.3 exercise to today. Please, any one of them, you send picture of 5.3 exercise. Okay, बस. Okay, good बेटा. एक बच्चे ने भेज दिया है. Yes, good बेटा. देखो अब मैं एक एक क्वेश्चन 5.3 का करेंगे. बस. Now we get तो 5.3 exercise we start. Okay. तो मैं आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दूंगा, but after 5 minutes. Okay. तो you start मेरे साथ साथ करेंगे. The first question is 2x plus 3y equals to sin x. So start. This is the exercise 5.3. 5.3 exercise. Now we start. The first question is. मैं जिससे कहूंगा वही आंसर देगा. अब सब बच्चे आंसर्स मुझे नहीं देंगे. ओके. This is the first question. 2x plus 3y equals to sin x. You start the derivative of this. You start the differentiation of this. Okay, Adarsh did. Now you give the answer. Adarsh did of 12B class. Adarsh. Yes, Akshat Jagya. Yes, Adarsh give the answer. Yes, good beta. इसका तो Adarsh पढ़ रहा है. Okay. Akshat Jagya they also answer given. Yes, good beta. ठीक है. Good Adarsh. But the problem is that कि आपने डिवाइड इसके लिए निकाली. 2 into 1 plus 3 into y is dy by dx. Then the derivative of sin x is cos x. इसके आगे भी करना होता है. dy by dx is because he says find the values of dy by dx. तो आपको dy by dx की वैल्यू निकालनी होती है. ठीक है. आपको पूरा क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करना होता है. Then start second question. Please start second question. 2x plus 3y equals to sin y. अब मैं चार क्वेश्चन एक साथ लिख दे रहा हूँ. ठीक है. ax plus by square we also solve. जिनसे नहीं सॉल्व हो रहे हैं मैं करूंगा सॉल्व. Do not take tension. आप टेंशन मत लेना. xy plus y square equals to 10x plus y वो अलग है. Now you start these three questions. Please जिनसे मैं पूछूं वो रिप्लाई कर दिया करें. Okay. So till now 8 question you have implicit function. After that that is the inverse. No problem कि आपसे क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग आता है सही आता है. That's not problem but give the answer. सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर देगा तनिष्क गोगिया. तनिष्क गोगिया, प्लीज गिव द आंसर. Okay, Khushi Kelly, you give the answer. Khushi Kelly, give the answer. Kunal Tikku, yes. Ayushi, give the answer. But मैंने आयुषी से नहीं मांगा था. Okay, कुणाल टिक्कू, लक्ष्य ग्रोवर, where are you all? Yes, एक क्वेश्चन आंसर दिया है. Yes, कुणाल लक्ष्य ग्रोवर ने आंसर दे दिया है. Yes, good बेटा. Please solve all the questions. मैं one by one solve कर रहा हूँ. Okay. Isha Narang, Isha Narang, give the answer of first to third question. Yes, good बेटा, good. देखो, now we start the second question. अब प्लीज जिन्होंने नहीं किया वो देखेंगे second question. How we start the second question? देखो, derivative of second question. देखो, second question is 2x. The derivative of x is 1. Okay, 3y. Y का derivative is d by 1. But when we use y, then dy by dx. We write साथ में dy by dx. For sin y, we have same rule. For sin y, we have same rule. That is cos y. But we are differentiate y, then we write dy by dx. Okay. Now we have the values of dy by dx. You take 3 that side. That is cos y minus 3. Because मेरा क्वेश्चन dy by dx निकालने के लिए होता है ना. So dy by dx is 2 upon cos y minus 3. Then we start third question now. देखो, third question. Third question is ax plus by square equal to cos y. So ax, a is number. A is not a variable. A is a number. We will not use product tool here. Ax में product tool नहीं लगेगा. A into x is 1. Then we start the derivative of by square. By square is 2y into dy by dx equals to cos y. Cos y is minus sin y into dy by dx. Now the question is that what is the value of dy by dx? You take a that side, this that side. तो देखो b plus छोटे छोटे step up खा सकते हो. This is 2by plus sin y. That is dy by dx. Okay. Now we take a that side. It is minus of a. So the values of dy by dx is minus of a upon 2 by by plus sin y. This is the values of dy by dx. इस साल implicit function नहीं आया तो हो सकता है this year implicit function आ रहा हो because implicit is also important topic. Okay, now we start the fourth question. But when we start the fourth question, then we have a product tool because x into y is a two number. X is 1, y is as it is, then x is as it is, y का dy by dx. Because this is we have product rule. The derivative of x is 1, then y is as it is, plus x is as it is, y का dy by dx. Plus the differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx equals to the derivative of 10x is sec square x plus y is dy by dx. देखो this is 10x plus y. बुक में कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है कि x plus y इसका एंगल है. x plus y एंगल नहीं है. y is a separate thing. Okay, y is a different thing. Okay, please देखो अब देखो. Now all the dy by dx we collect. All the dy by dx. This is the dy by dx. This is the dy by dx. This is the dy by dx. You will take in a bracket x plus 2y minus 1. Then sec square x minus y. Then we have this the values of dy by dx. The dy by dx is secant square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1. So these are the four questions we already done now, है ना? Now we start fifth question, sixth question, remaining questions. सारी एक्सरसाइज आज ही हम कर लेंगे. Okay? So we start now the question number 5. Okay, you start today. अभी मैं बुक देखा हूँ. You start fifth question. अपना start कर दो fifth question. Yes, मैं ये book. Because this is the fifth question. Again, right here, the question of fifth is x square plus xy plus y square equals to 100. Okay, this is the fifth question. Then sixth question is x square plus x cube. Sorry, x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equals to 81. Fifth question. Seventh question is very important. Sin square y plus cos xy equals to pi. This is seventh question. Eighth and the last question of this exercise is फिर उसके बाद हम अपने पास से करेंगे sin square x cos square y is equals to 1. एनसीईआरटी में आपको होमवर्क नहीं दूंगा, एनसीईआरटी हम खुद ही कर लेंगे. ओके, तो प्लीज डू नॉट मिस द क्लासेस मिस नहीं करनी है. Now start this question, these question. Okay, fifth question. First of all, you give the answer of fifth question. Yes, group 12C, they given the answer. Yes, good beta. Answers कुछ आते हैं but without name तो उनका नेम नहीं ले पाता. गुरजोत give the answer. Yes, गुरजोत ने आंसर दिया है. Good beta. Good. Vanchika 12C. The new Vanchika 12C, they given also answer. Shakti 12C. Piyush of 12C. Piyush बेटा आपने मिस्टेक की है. In fifth question, when you write y square is 2y into d by x नहीं लिखा. Okay, मैं भी करूंगा. स्नेहा दे आल्सो गिव आंसर. ध्रुव केजरीवाल बेटा रजिस्टर्स में करने, पेजेस में नहीं करने. these are the फेवर. ये रजिस्टर्स चेक होंगे. नितिश गर्ग न्यू एंट्री 12E. यस 12E भी आ रही है. ओके गुड. 12 F और G से कोई आंसर नहीं आता. अनुष्का 12D आल्सो आंसर. आयुषी 12C. उन्नति कोई आंसर नहीं दिया तुम्हें आज. उन्नति मेहता, विशेष अरोड़ा, युवराज, where are you? Yes, Siddhant, they give the answer. Yes, good beta, good. Tara, Siki, you are from 12G or 12F, not given the answer. 12F and 12G की एंट्री नहीं आती है. हाँ यस, उसने करेक्ट कर दिया आंसर. गुड बेटा. अब मैं कर रहा हूँ क्वेश्चंस. यस 12D. गुड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. अभी आंसर दे दिया बच्चे ने. गुड. Click the picture and give the answer. Yes. अब मैं कर रहा हूँ. देखो, now you see the screen. Okay. अब आप screen देखो. Now this is the fifth question. Please stop. Fifth answer. देखो, this is the fifth question. अब मैं सारे questions कर रहा हूँ. This is the fifth one. That is x square plus xy plus y square. In xy we have product rule. Okay. Fifth question. That is ये तो हमने already कर लिया है. 2x plus x का 1, y as it is. X as it is, y is dy by dx. देखो, this is x into y product rule plus y square is 2y dy by dx equals to 100. That is 0. Now we collect all the values of dy by dx. That is x plus 2y is equals to minus 2x plus y. Then that means dy by dx, the values of dy by dx is 2x plus y upon x plus 2y. Then we start the sixth sum. Okay, sixth sum. जिनसे नहीं हुआ वो देखे अब एक बार. Sixth question, x cube. Again the same method. That is 3x square. Then x square y, we have a product rule. That is 2xy plus x square into y is dy by dx. This is a simple. देखो x square into y. We have product rule because we have two terms. So that means x square is 2x, then y is as it is, plus x square as it is, y is dy by dx. Same thing with xy square. Xy square 1 into y square plus x into 2y dy by dx plus and y cube. Y cube is 3y square into dy by dx. The differentiation of 81 is 0. Now we collect all the dy by dx and we find the values of dy by dx. Okay, वो आप कर लेना खुद. Now we start the question number 7. अब देखो सारे question number 7. In seventh we have a chain rule, but seventh question is implicit form, but it is also chain rule. Having chain rule, देखो seventh question, that is sin y square. This is sin y square plus cos xy equals to pi. Now we have chain rule here, and that is T rule here. So when we start the derivative of this, then we start with the power. What is the power? That is 2 sin x, 2 sin y raised to power 2 minus 1. That is power. Then term. What is the term? Sin y, cos y. Then angle. What is the angle? Y. That is dy by dx. So this is the chain rule. Okay. Then we start the division of cos xy. Again, when we differentiate cos xy, then the same problem is here. The cos is a term and xy is an angle. So cos is minus sin xy into its angle. What is the angle? X into y. So how we differentiate x into y? That's the product rule. So इसमें mistake नहीं करनी. 1 into dy by dx नहीं लिखना है. We have product rule because we have two numbers. So x is 1, y is as it is. X is it is y का dy by dx equals to pi. The derivative of pi is 0. Okay. अब ब्रैकेट से बहुत आराम से बोल रहे हैं. देखो this is 2 sin y cos y into dy by dx. Okay. अब मैं ये ब्रैकेट खोलने जा रहा हूँ. That is minus y sin x y sin x y. देखो this is angle. ये y से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होगा. Okay. Then minus x sin x y into dy by dx. मैंने सिंपल ब्रैकेट ओपन किए हैं. This open the bracket. This into this plus this into this. Okay. We have minus sign तो से plus से minus हो गया है. Now this the formula of sin 2y into dy by dx minus x sin xy into dy by dx. That y sin xy you put that side, y sin xy, then we'll get the values of dy by dx. So common ले लेंगे वो अपॉन में आ जाएगा. Okay. Then we start the question number 8 now. देखो 8th question, उसके बाद मैं आपको टाइप स्टार्ट करूंगा, तो प्लीज डू नॉट मिस द क्लासेस बिकॉज एनसीईआरटी में बहुत कुछ नहीं है ना. एनसीईआरटी में इसकी एक भी टाइप नहीं है बेसिक फंक्शन की, जो आप खुद करेंगे. ओके. देन वी स्टार्ट 8th सम. देखो 8th क्वेश्चन. 8th question is sin square x plus sin square y. Sin square x plus cos square y equals to 1. तो देखो अब मैं डायरेक्टली ऐसे नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, डायरेक्टली डू. मुझे मालूम है व्हाट इज द रूल हियर. PTA rule here. The power term angle. First we start power. That is 2 sin x is to power 2 minus 1. This is power. Then term sin x का cos x. Then angle x1 plus cos square y. Again we have same formula. That is 2 cos y into minus sin y into dy by dx equal to the derivative of 1 is 0. Now this is sin 2x. This is sin 2y. And that is dy by dx equal to 0. तो dy by dx की वैल्यू आ गई. That is sin 2x upon sin 2y. So this is all about NCERT. तो आपकी NCERT फिनिश हो गई है. ठीक है. अब इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन हम अपने पास से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करेंगे. इन इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन वी हैव 3 टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. एक सिंगल टाइप भी NCERT में गिवन नहीं है. ओके. तो प्लीज टेल योर फ्रेंड्स की क्लास मिस नहीं करनी है और खुद भी क्लास मिस नहीं करनी है आपको. ओके. तो यू राइट डाउन टाइप 1, that is type 1. देखो this is type 1 question. Y equals to x sin y. To prove, इसके क्वेश्चन always to prove में आते हैं. To prove dy by dx is y upon x into 1 minus x cos y. Okay. Start this question. This is type 1 question. NCERT में to prove वाले questions है नहीं. Okay. Only miscellaneous exercise they have to prove questions. Okay, to start this question. देखो दिस इज टाइप 1 क्वेश्चन. That's good sign. I received today 80 messages from 80 students. Okay, or 90 students participate कर रहे हैं. That's very surprised. 95. Yes, this is type 1. Please start. Okay, देखो मैं बताता हूँ आपको what is type 1. How we start type 1. Okay. One student give the answer. Yes, good, 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 good. एक बच्चे ने आंसर दिया है. Through 12C. बट आंसर उसका मैच नहीं कर रहा है. ओके, देखो आंसर मैच नहीं करेगा. इन क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम क्या आएगी? वी डिफरेंशिएट सिंपली dy by dx. सिंपल डिफरेंशिएशन dy by dx. We have product tool here, x into sin y. The derivative of x is 1, sin y as it is, plus x as it is, the derivative of sin y. When we differentiate sin y, so it is a y. When we differentiate y, then we write angle sin y. The derivative of sin is cos y into dy by dx into dy by dx. Okay. अब मैं उस dy by dx को उधर लाऊंगा. So that is the values of dy by dx. We have simple method. इन टाइप्स में कोई different method नहीं है. They have same method as NCERT, but ये question to 2 वाले होंगे. So this is dy by dx. That is dy by dx is sin y. What we do here? देखो 1 minus x cos xy. Answer match नहीं करेगा. The answer is this, but my answer is this. Okay, तो हम क्या करेंगे इन क्वेश्चन पे टाइप इन टाइप 1 we again take the help of क्वेश्चन में दोबारा से वापस जाएंगे. In answers you have 1 minus x cos phi. This is 1 minus x cos phi. In answers sin y is not there. On the place of sin y is y by x. So again come on क्वेश्चन में देखो again we get the values. देखो क्वेश्चन से we can find the values of sin y. मैंने क्वेश्चन में से sin y की वैल्यूज निकाल ली. The sin y is y upon x. Then we put here. Okay, मैं इसको यहाँ पुट कर रहा हूँ. This is y by x into 1 minus x cos phi. So this is type 1 question. In type 1 question, we find the answer simply. ठीक है, simply answer निकालते हैं, but the answer is doesn't mean answer match नहीं करेगा. Then we again take the help of question and we get the answer. Okay. देखो we differentiate x and y. That is the product tool. With next class, यानी कि tomorrow we discuss type 1, type 2, type 3. But please do not miss the classes because in NCERT we have no type, not neither type 1, neither type 2, 3 कोई भी type नहीं है हमारे NCERT में. ठीक है, the derivative of x is 1, sin y as it is plus x as it is. All are in exemplar. Sin y is cos y into dy by dx with simple product rule. Then we get the values of dy by dx. So minus dy by dx को ले आओ. So dy by dx 1 minus x cos y equals to sin y. So values of dy by dx, this is come on that side 1 minus x cos y. अब ये आंसर मेरा ये आया है, but the answer is this. Okay, तो आंसर में क्या चीज एक्स्ट्रा है? sin y is extra. We again come on question. We take the values of sin y from the question and we put here. That is y by x, y minus x cos y. Okay. So please give the message in your class groups. Do not miss the classes because these classes are very important. This is calculus है ना, और NCERT से बाहर और हमारे से बाहर पेपर बोर्ड में नहीं आता है. वो all come from NCERT. देखो this is equal to e to the power. This is the second question. It is again type 1 question. Answer is dy by dx is minus y minus x. Prove it. ठीक है. You start this question. E to the power x plus e to the power y equals to e to the power x plus y, and then start this question. Okay, start this question. वो स्क्रीन चली गई है. Yes, 1 minute. Stop. अभी देखा मैम. Okay, now screen is visible. Yes, screen is visible. देखो, this is the last question of today. ठीक है, अब हम कल से स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो today your homework is 5.3 exercise. You repeat 5.3 exercise till 9 question. देखो, this is ex. Derivative of ax is ex. The derivative of ey is ey into dy by dx. Now we start e to the power x plus y. E to the power x plus y is same as e to the power x plus y. But when we differentiate this angle, the angle is x plus y. The derivative of x is 1. प्लस y का dy by dx. Now we open the bracket again. देखो please, e to the power x plus y is same as e to the power x plus y. When we start, the differential ex is same ex, but differential of its angle x plus y, x का 1 plus y का dy by dx. अब सिंपली we open the bracket. अब हम ब्रैकेट्स ओपन कर रहे हैं. That is e to the power x plus y, e to the power x plus y into dy by dx. Now we come this side, that is e to the power x minus e to the power x plus 5 dy by dx. That is e to the power x plus 5 minus ex. So values of dy by dx is e to the power x plus y minus e to the power x upon e to the power y minus e to the power x plus 5. But the problem is that answer doesn't match. Answer match करेगा ही नहीं. Then again we take the help of question. E to the power x plus y. देखो from e to the power x plus y in the question ex plus ey. We put the values of ex plus ey here. Okay, dy by dx. We are putting the values here. Ex plus ey minus ex upon ey minus ex minus ey. This ex cancel with this ex. This ey cancel with ey. We have ey upon minus ex. Now the base is same. Then power is minus. Please get the message in your classes कि ये classes बहुत important है, तो please do not miss the classes. ठीक है, do not miss the classes. So today आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है. Okay, you do your 5.3 exercise your homework. आपको 5.3 exercise homework करनी है. Okay, you start 5.3 exercise and note down this question. देखो इसमें मैंने क्या किया था. Ex is ex, then ey because y is there. Then we differentiate y, that is ey dy by dx plus e to the power x plus 5 because the angle is x plus 5. When we start the derivative of x plus 5, then x is 1 plus y is dy by dx. Now we open the brackets. देखो मैंने brackets खोल दिए हैं. अब we put dy by dx on the one side and another number on that side. We take dy by dx is common. We get the values with this, but answer doesn't match. तो क्वेश्चन वापस गया. तो दिस इज टाइप 1 जो हम कल बहुत सारी करेंगे. टाइप 1, इन टाइप 1 वी ऑलवेज फाइंड द अगेन कॉमन क्वेश्चन क्या दोबारा से नहीं होती है. वी पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ e to the power x plus 5. आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है. ओके, प्लीज गिव योर मैसेज इन योर क्लासेस कि प्लीज क्लास अटेंड करें बिकॉज 99 100 बच्चे ओनली आए हैं. ओके, गुड बाय बेटा.